What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Today we are going to be going over some very interesting news to do with the staking, and we're going to talk about everything that you need to know to be fully up to date in this market, so you're not going to want to miss any of this video. Now, only about 75% of you guys are subscribed to this channel right now, so if you are watching these daily updates, do me a favor, smash that follow button, hit the like button, share it with a friend, comment, because that all helps with the burn that we're going to do here on the channel using the revenue that the channel generates. So all of that is going to be a massive help, and let's jump straight into it. All right, jumping straight into the crypto bubbles today, we can see one of the standouts here. Actually, the most standout one we can see here is Lunar Classic. 10.2%, ICP 7%, SNX 5.2%, but Lunar Classic being the champion here, actually in fact up 10%, just under 11% on the day. Very much holding that 0.001 mark, looking very nice right now, considering the overall market is not looking very good this morning. We give that a little refresh, we are down 0.5% in the overall cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin down almost 1%, Ethereum down almost 1%, but these have been down quite significantly over the last few days. So that is, of course, what is affecting the market. Bitcoin right now just losing that $20,000 mark again. We have been speaking about this on both of my channels, that I do think that retesting that $17,000 mark was very likely. We've been speaking about trades here on the channel. We got involved in this short right here. I, in fact, made a very nice profit here. I then opened myself up a long around these levels, and I was stopped out of that long in just a break even, so I would have had the fees that charged me for that long, but I didn't get into the short here that I was looking for. I was hoping we would come up and retest this line, which I happened to miss because I was out with my friend here in Bali, and I don't have any automatic trades open, but I was looking for a retest of this line, and we actually did get that here. So that would have been a nice time to reopen this short position here, and you would have captured around a 7% gain where we are now. So that would be a 70% gain in 10x or a 700% in a 100x trade, which would have been very good. Right now, I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. I'm waiting to see some more trends formed. It's not the opportunity for me, in my opinion, to start jumping into the market here, because that is just simply gambling. Of course, trading here is similar to gambling, but we kind of have a little bit of an edge when we have our little trends and things like that we're following. We're understanding market psychology and that sort of stuff. But jumping in at a moment like this, I would say, is much more of a gamble than following a trend. With that said, we also have the Crypto Greed and Fear Index today sitting at a 28. So not as low as we were a few days ago, but still not looking great. But Terra Classic is definitely the standout here. On the news today, we actually have some amazing news. 2.63% of the total Lunar Classic supply has now been staked. That's actually huge. 2.63% is massive. That's a massive amount to already be staked just in a few days. If we do head over to Lunar Classic Penguins here, this chart that tells us how many people are burning, holding, all of that sort of stuff. Hopefully we will be on this chart very soon over on the burning section, because I am burning what this channel generates in its first month, and I think I'm going to continue to do it depending on how you guys think. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. But right now, this is the top 22 we have here, the top 22 burning wallets, and I'm really hoping, or 24 now, and I'm really hoping we can jump onto this burning wallet list. But with that said, let me just show you the back end of the channel. $675 right now. Let's give that a little highlight. We'll head over to here. Oh, not that one. Overview. Here we go. Put it here. 675. That gives us around 5 million, right? Yep, 5 million Terra Classic. Head back here. What would that put us at? That would put us at, oh, look at that. Oh, number 17. We would be number 17 right now, so I should jump on this burning as quickly as I can. I'm still trying to work out how I get this name here. Is it in the memo? Do I put it in the memo? Do I put it in notes? I'm not really sure. If someone knows or has done this before, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll get that done as soon as possible. But I did want to bring up something to you guys. Here, we have a lot of comments down in the comment section saying that Binance currently holds 40%. And this is a lot of arguments that I'm seeing towards what I'm saying about how we got to wait, right? It's going to take time for us to get to serious numbers. It's going to take a long time to burn the supply. It's going to take a long time to move the price up. With all of that said, I get a lot of comments actually saying that Binance holds 40% of Lunar Classic, and it'd be very easy for Binance just to burn that away, or burn 10% of it, or burn whatever amount of it, and that's how the price is going to pump. That's not the whole story, okay?
People who say that obviously don't understand how a centralized exchange works, and that's perfectly fine. I was new to crypto once before, and it took me a long time to actually understand how these things work. But Binance Hot Wallet, they, like CZ himself, that's not his wallet that he holds 40% of the supply in. This is Binance's exchange wallet. This is everyone who uses Binance's wallet with Luna Classic. I hold my Luna Classic on Binance, so I am part of this 39%. Anyone who does the same thing is part of that 39%. I'm sure they do hold a bit. CZ might very well hold a bit, but it's not 40%. So please do keep that in mind, okay? With Bitcoin as well, we are still below this 200 MA, which in history dictates that it could possibly be a good buying opportunity. Personally, I have been buying up a lot of Bitcoin mining stocks, some Ethereum, and that's what I'm doing right now. Dollar cost averaging into those in fear. Extreme fear, and fear is where I aim to buy these sorts of things because I think that's the best return I can do. Now, if you are looking to buy Luna Classic, what I suggest is doing it on Binance. As you know, the hot wallet holds 40% of the circulating supply, but I trust Binance with my own personal money. It's been 5 years I've been trading with them, never had any form of issue, and they are currently giving away $600 worth of a welcome bonus. So if you don't already have a Binance account, I highly suggest having it just as a backup for you guys. There's a link down there in the description. You'll get that $600 bonus, and that's something that I would suggest personally to do to have a backup. Now, moving away from that, we also have here the DXY potentially forming a double top, which would be good for the market, but no confirmation in that yet. This may very well have just been a higher low here, and we may continue upwards from here. So I'm watching that very, very closely. But it's great to see Terra Classic outperforming the market, completely outperforming the market here, 10% overall market down. So it's very, very good to see. Hopefully you guys are as excited as I am. We're building this awesome community, and hopefully I've provided you some value, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
All right, what's up guys? You made it to the end of the video. I am very, very grateful for any of you guys that watch it to the end. I can't express that enough. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I like to take this time to talk to you guys about other things. I got a comment down there in the comment section asking me where I'm going next. So right now I am here in Bali. I've been here for 6 weeks, I think it is. It's been absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. I suggest anyone to come out and spend some time here because it's awesome. The food is amazing. The food is cheap, and it's just an amazing experience to be here. And next up, I am heading back to Dubai. I'll be there for about a week. Then I'm heading over to America, Florida specifically, and I'll be there for about a week as well. Then I'm going to be heading back to Dubai, and then I'm going to be planning another trip at some point that I'll take you guys on. So that's my plan right now, and yeah, I think that the market right now overall is not looking very good. Like I've been speaking about, Terra Classic has been performing very well in this market, but if we do get a lot more downturn with Bitcoin, Ethereum, that sort of stuff, I think that it will affect Terra Classic in itself. So do stay safe out there. I genuinely want this channel to be completely unbiased, both sides of the coin, showing you the bullish side, but also the realistic side of where this coin might go in the short term and in the long term. I'm hoping it does very well in the long term, but I would only ever invest money that I am 100% okay with going to absolute zero. I think that is the key here, because that way you have no emotion. When the price pumps a bit, you can shave a little profit off the top. You can use that money to jump back in again if it goes down. If it goes up, happy days. If it goes down, it really doesn't make any difference. That's how I play with coins like this. At the moment, I see Luna Classic as a hype meme coin. That's how I see it personally, because the story around it is just crazy. There are people who could sell it. There are people who might buy it. It's just a wild ride, and it reminds me of something like Doge and Shiba with the community behind it, which is no problem. I do see some people down there in the comment section who don't like me referring to it as a risky play, or as a hype coin, or as a community-based coin, or a meme coin, but that's how I personally see it. Of course, you guys are entitled to your own opinions. If you think that it is a blue chip crypto, then that is totally 100% your opinion. But for me, it's more of a risky play. For me, the blue chips are Bitcoin. Really, 100% I am the most bullish on Bitcoin. Of course, I hold a lot of blue chip altcoins as well, but Bitcoin would be the one that I would be most heavy going into. Of course, I spoke about mining stocks as well. I am quite heavily investing into Bitcoin mining companies, because I see a lot of upside, a lot of these to get when Bitcoin gets to its old all-time high, or if it got to its old all-time high, they could have 10, 20x, even more. So it's kind of crazy opportunity, but also massive risk. Again, if they go to zero, I'll be completely fine. That's how I look at this entire cryptocurrency market, always trying to move money around so I am diversified, kind of having that boomer outlook on crypto, so I'm not all in on anything, because that way I can't really get completely decimated by anything. For example, I moved a lot of money out of crypto during the bull market. I bought property, I bought other assets, and now in the bear market, even though the portfolio that I still had left dropped 50% and it was a lot of money, I was still perfectly fine going forward. And now we can prepare for the next bull run using the money that I actually took out of the crypto market back when it was at the top. So that's how I do it. If you like that sort of outlook on it, smash the follow button, hit the subscribe, go over and join my main channel if you want a more in-depth look at the overall market, and I'll see you guys in the next one.